2 oscillating heads for a sprinkler system, for irrigation, for lawn irrigation, etc. To the left, we have a larger head. This is one particular brand of a particular manufacturer. To the right, we have a smaller version of a head. Both being, my opinion is, both of them may be oscillating heads. So when one says oscillating head, to define that may be, say, for instance, if you wanted the head to go 0 to 90 degrees, 0 to 45, 0 to 180 degrees, 0 to 270 degrees, 0 to 360 degrees. Now, the heads will do this, perhaps. Now, but the heads need to be preset on top of the head with a key, something that looks maybe something like this. Now, a different manufacturer may have a different tool. The question here is, okay, on the larger head, as one can see, there's a 3/4 inch fitting, male fitting. So 3/4 inch male fitting. Now, if we go to the smaller head here, what one would note is perhaps the thread is for a 1/2 inch fitting. So 1/2 inch. So again, we have a 1/2 inch for this, 3/4 inch for this. If we turn this head up in this head this way, we note that the hole is a little bit smaller. So if we go here, this should fit in here like so, and that would go this way. Okay, and likewise this 3/4 would go here. So basically, although both of these are oscillating heads by a particular manufacturer, the bottom is a different size than the bottom on this one. And so if we take 2 poly-Ls and we juxtapose these, and we note that, okay, 1 poly-L here is perhaps a 1/2 inch, okay? Then if we go here, we note that this is 3/4. So the 3/4 for the larger, the 1/2 inch for the smaller. Okay, and these can be, perhaps you could use this key to adjust these. And again, now if it's a different manufacturer, it's going to be a different key. Now the beveled edge here is where the funny pipe would go. So the funny pipe here, and on this end, it looks the same. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 looking grooves, 1, 2, 3, 4 looking grooves. So this side here would be the same as this side, minus a different color, and the gray would be a 3/4. The black would be a 1/2 inch. So again, the 3/4 would go into the larger one, and the 1/2 inch would go into the smaller one. But both of these heads may do 0 to 360. If it's not a huge area, you may want to consider going with a smaller one. If you've got a larger area, you may want to go to the bigger one. So it's not a one-size-fits-all. You will have to just do a trial and error what works for you according to your particular landscaping, how big, how small, etc. So again, 3/4, 1/2 inch. 3/4, 1/2 inch. Thank you.